Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going to be slaying another headband wig courtesy of Youth Beauty. So you guys know Youth Beauty is literally one of my favorite companies to work with. They sent me this beautiful package. I love how their wigs come in this gorgeous sleeve that comes with a little bit of hanger. That way you can store your wigs, nice and pretty when you're not wearing them. So this one here is a Brazilian water wave headband wig in the length 18 inches. And of course, I'm showing you a detailed look at what the inside construction of the cap is. Instead of lace, they give you this nice stretchy headband wig that pretty much will fit everyone. One size fits most. You can, strap it at the very tip if your head is really big, or you can make it super tight. For me, I make it as tight as it can go, and you'll see in the video I'm gonna do like a shake test and literally give myself a headache, showing you guys that the wig will not slide off or go anywhere. So first off, I'm going to show you how I prep the wig overnight. Typically, I don't sleep in my wigs these days. I just kind of am giving my hairline a break because, for years and years and years, I would like literally never take my wig off. And now, I just want my natural hair to, relax. And this is the perfect solution for me. At night, I'll take the wig off. I'll put it on my mannequin head, especially when it comes to these curly and water wave textures. I'll wet it down really good, add a little bit of mousse and allow it to air dry. That way when I wake up in the morning, my hair is already in a braided protective style with a wig cap on, so I'll literally be able to slap this baby on. I'll add my favorite headband on top and no styling needed. Now I'm going to show you what it's like to install the wig if you don't prep it on a mannequin head. So I have on a wig from another install. I'm tired of the red at this point. I've been wearing it for a few days. I need to work out today and I want to put on a wig that does not have lace. Lately I've been loving to wear a wig with no lace when I work out. That way I don't have to worry about bonding it down. If I sweat too much, it'll lift. I can literally just protect my hairline. No mess and no crazy install process. So now that I have the wig on, again, this is a different day. So on this day, the wig wasn't styled. I'm telling you guys, Youth Beauty has some of the best hair on the market. And that's why I love to wear this one, because it mimics, natural hair. It mimics the hair you would wear on a lace wig. It's not cheap hair where, it's going to tangle at the nape or shed really crazy. It literally is like wearing, your favorite wig that you spent a good amount of money on, except you don't have to maintain as much. Now the only thing you'll have to do is to style your own hairline if you choose to leave it out. To be honest, I honestly don't style my hairline. Like, I'll make the baby hair just in case, like I want to show just a little edge, but for the most part I like to wear mine on top. As you guys can see, my hairline is a lot thinner and a lot more sparse, so to me it just doesn't look good. But for the sake of showing the hair off and giving you all options available, I do want to show you guys what it would be like to wear yours with your hairline. Now, if you have a thick hairline, at this point, and I'm sure you guys have seen other creators who like to rock the headband wigs, this is going to look beautiful because your nice thick hairline is going to be able to swoop into some really good baby hair, or you can slick it back. For me, I like to bring mine as far up as possible, even if I have a little bit of baby hair peeking out. And I like to make the band as thin as possible because I've shown you in previous videos how awkward my hairline is. So making the band, like scrunching it up to be a little bit thinner, helps me to bring it forward as best as possible and as much as possible, because this is like the perfect setting for my head. I did add a little bit of those hair fibers on top. Of course, I have them as well as everything else linked in the description box. And this will make the hairline just look a little bit thicker, especially from a distance. It doesn't look too bald. Because I'm coming out of a lace wig and going into a headband wig, it is important that you clean the hairline and, make sure that the entire forehead matches, especially because I have on makeup. So I did use my Sea Breeze, and then I buffed in my foundation and a little bit of contour and made everything match. Now we are ready to style. So some days I'll add water and add a little mousse on top, and then there are days when I'll completely just drench the hair in mousse. My favorite way to do it is the mousse way, but again, for maintenance, especially when I've already done this 1 or 2 times with the wig, I'll just go in and add a little bit of water. And because there's there's already mousse in it, it'll kind of just reset that product so that the ends and the hair all around just look super nice and beautiful. Now I'm going to show you guys that this wig is not going anywhere for any of the naysayers. So this is what it looks like when it's completely styled. I'm going to flip it backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. I'm not cutting the clip. I'm not doing anything to it. I literally am shaking my head everywhere, and it did not slide back. It didn't shift. It did not fly off. Now I'm not saying go in public and jump in a pool or get on a roller coaster and it will stay. I'm just saying that for the day-to-day simple use, you should be good to go. But of course, you can add bobby pins, you know, here and there to kind of, you know, get it in there and make sure that it's really secure, you know, if you are a little bit nervous. But for day-to-day, you know, workouts, managing the kids, homeschooling, running errands, it never slides back or does anything, you know, weird for me. I went ahead and added my own headband, but they did include 2 headbands with my order, and I love the fact that they always include a headband or 2 in case you don't have any. But of course, if you are like me, you like to wear what you already have, and that's kind of what I did in this situation. I believe you'll see in the thumbnail the picture, or a picture of the one that they provided. I'm also showing you guys what it looks like up high. The hair is super smooth and sleek, so if you want to put it in a high ponytail or bun, it goes up super nicely. And if you use a silk or satin scrunchie like I did, it won't leave a crimp in the hair. So I think we covered all the bases. I'm going to show you what the back looks like, and you know, literally just want you to see how beautiful the texture of this hair is. They did not skimp and give you some, you know, crappy hair that's not gonna, you know, curl up, or you know, it's gonna be too matted. They gave you a nice beautiful textured hair. Of course, I have this wig listed and linked in the description box for you guys to purchase or just check out if you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!